Hi! Good day everyone! Another gala na naman tayo for today's video. And right now, we're heading to Puerto Galera. So, at first, sumakay kami going to PTEX from Bacoor, which cost 30 pesos each. And then from PTEX, we book a bus going to Batangas Port. And it cost us 268 pesos each. So, now we are waiting for the ferry to arrive. And ang binayad pala namin is 620 pesos each for the ferry. And then, mabilis lang yung biyahe since it's a fast craft. And just like that, nandito na tayo sa Puerto Galera. And ayan nga pala yung sinakay namin. It's MV Island Calaguas. So, it's our first day here in Puerto. And what we did is nag-rent kami ng motor good for 3 days para malibot namin yung Puerto. Meron din dito mga tuk-tuk na pwede nyong sakyan or rentahan. As an alternative, mas prefer lang talaga namin na mag-rent ng motor para hawak namin yung oras namin and at the same time, it's a money saver. So, ayan, naglalakad kami ngayon papunta dito sa pag-istayan namin. It's in Manara Resort in Sabang Beach. Ayan, medyo mahabang lakaran at akyatan nitong mangyayari. Siyempre, work is life pa din kahit nakabakasyon para may panggala ulit. Charot! Anyways, this room that we got is an executive room. But it is supposedly a deluxe room. Siguro naramdaman nila yung pagod namin sa pagkakit, kaya in-upgrade nila yung room namin. And we loved it. It's so huge. The balcony, the room, and the bathroom. Sobrang perfect. So, ayun, since kakarating nga lang namin, tamang chill muna kami, tamang pahinga. Kasi mamaya, gabi is lalabas kami to check kung kumusta yung nightlife dito. So, before going out, ayan, nagilamos muna ako para mawala ang pagkakagard at pagod natin. After neto, mapapasubo na naman po tayo sa mahabang babaan at akyatan. Just like this one. Eto palang pagod na ang lola nyo, girl. As you can see, ito itsura niya at night. Medyo similar sa vibes ng El Nido. Ang kaibahan lang siguro nila is mas maraming establishment doon at mga afam. What can you say?
Nice.
Elevator, and this is the view. Good morning! So, it's our day 2 in Puerto Galera and for today's video, magsiswimming lang muna kami dito sa pool area ng resort dahil majinit pa. Later nga pala, at the end of this video, i-share ko sa inyo yung total ng nagastos namin here in Puerto Galera for 4 days and 3 nights. So, watch out! So, habang nagsiswimming, dahil nga mainit ang panahon, umorder muna kami ng mango and melon shake to get refreshed. Moving on, papunta na kami ngayon sa White Beach. Medyo rough yung daan kaya kailangan talaga ng iba yung pag-iingat. And charan! Here's the White Beach! Ang dami din pala activities na pwede gawin dito. Di nga lang namin nagawa for now since mag-undergo ako ng treatment. So, tamang ligo lang muna kami at food trip. And just like that, it's our day 3 here in Puerto Galera. And we're here in mangrove as of the moment. Medyo mahaba-haba daw itong lakaran. Sana kayanin ako ng bamboo.
Let's go! Mangrove!
Parang lapit pala yan. Yan mga...
Ito yung mangrove. Go! Kakayanin kaya siya? Ayun po. Yan, makikita niyo po ang pagbagsak ni Jean Rose. Yay! Ha? Guys, andito kami ngayon sa mangrove ng Puerto Galera. So, yeah, tour namin kayo ngayon dito. Anong meron dito? Yes. Hello!
Grabe, ang sarap ng hangin dito. Ang sarap tumambay at mag-chill lang. Tamang muni-muni lang ganun.
magtatawag ka ng kapatid mo, kailangan na magsaing.
Sige. Our next stop naman is in Tamaraw Falls. So, there you go. Ang ganda! Pwede pala maligo dito, dun sa kabilang side nga lang. Pero di lang kami naligo kasi saglit lang talaga kami dito kasi super hapon na and may pupuntahan pa kami na isa, which is the Aplayang Munti.
I-zoom ko ng super zoom.
Zoom out.
And here's how it looks. Medyo maalon at mahangin. And as usual, tambay at picture taking lang ginawa namin dito dahil nga medyo maalon at wala akong dalang ekstrang damit. Di malaman kung magti-TikTok ba o ano. Ito naman tamang emote lang dun sa dagat. And then ayan, tamang dinner sa tabing dagat and back to the pool again kasi check out na namin tomorrow. Kaya naman, sinulit na namin.
Bawal po maki-shampoo dyan, sir.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!